My dear student, how are you today? I hope that you are all well at your house and you are busy for your learning. My dear student, we are giving class to you for your learning, my dear student. If you see our class and gauge the class and learn from it, our work will be completed. If you don't learn, if you don't attentive to our teaching, our teaching will be not benefited. My dear student, I wish you always keep yourself good. Nowadays, a serious disease that is spread as epidemic all over the world, and the world people afraid from this epidemic disease coronavirus. So we should take care our own life, because life is very valuable in the world. Almighty Allah has sent to us in this world doing a great purpose, doing a great deed. So we should feed ourselves, we should feed our health, we should keep fit our health. If we keep fit our health, we can gain knowledge, we can learn knowledge. If we learn knowledge, we can do good work for the world people. If we don't learn, if we are not keep fit our body, our learning will not be completed, and we don't help to the other people of the world. So it is our sole duty to love the people. If we love the people, we do welfare for the people. Taking knowledge, we can do good for the people. Those who invented various kinds of things in the world, they have helped us to live peacefully in this world. For an example, now a fan is moving above my head, and it gives me and it is blowing wind, and this wind is very cool for me, and it is helpful for me. It is very helpful for my physical health, my dear student. So at the last point, we should gather knowledge. If we should want to gather knowledge, we follow the rules and regulation of the world, we follow the rules and regulation of the teacher. My dear student, I am a teacher, MD Alauddin, Goga Kalyani Secondary School. I am giving you a lesson from class 9 English past paper, and my topic name is here Unit 7, Lesson 8, Job's Childhood. My dear student, find out page number 106. You point at the under part of the page 106, Lesson 8, Job's Childhood. My dear student, find out the page number 106 and see the topic name, Job's Childhood. I have also written on the blackboard the topic name of my teaching, Job's Childhood. Job's Childhood, my dear student, you are seeing. My dear student, before teaching, I want to recite a sweet song to you, my dear student. If you listen to my song, a great desire will be come to you to learn from me, my student. Now, I shall sing a song. After, I shall give you the lesson, my dear student. आसो निराशित दो रंगों से दुनिया की निशा जाए, नैया संग तूफान बनाया, मिलन की साथ जुदाई, याद के लिए हर जाई। ओ लुट गए मेरे प्यार से नगरी, अब तो नीरी वाले, ओ दुनिया के रखवाले, ओ दुनिया के रखवाले, सुन दर्द भरे मेरे नाले, सुन दर्द भरे मेरे नाले। आग बने सावन की बरखा, फूल बने अंगारे, नगन बन गई रात सुहानी, पत्थर बन गई तारे, सब टूट चुके सहारे। ओ जीवन अपना पाप झेल ले, जीवन देने वाले, ओ दुनिया के रखवाले, ओ दुनिया के रखवाले, सुन दर्द भरे मेरे नाले, सुन दर्द भरे मेरे नाले। चाँद को ढूंढो पागल सूरज, शाम के ढूंढो छाए रात, मैं भी ढूंढूं उसकी तुमकी, को न छो तो जो मेरा भगवान भला है तेरा। ओ किस्मत फूटी आँख न टूटी, कौन पर गई साले, ओ दुनिया के रखवाले। आ आ महली उदासर गलियां सुनी, चुप चुप है दीवारे, दिल का उजड़ा दुनिया उजड़ी, लुट गई है बहारे, हम जीवन के ने बुझारे, ओ मंदिर गिरिजा फिर बन जाता, दिल को कौन संभाले, ओ दुनिया के रखवाले, ओ दुनिया के रखवाले, सुन दर्द भरे मेरे नाले, सुनो दर्द भरे मेरे नाले, ओ दुनिया के रखवाले, 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 रखवाले। My dear student, I have finished the song. Now, my dear student, I want to start my teaching, my dear student. Listen to me very carefully. My dear student, before discuss the topics, I shall explain the word meaning and focus from the topic. My dear student, listen to me very carefully, my dear student. Now, my dear student, you see the left side of my blackboard. Of the blackboard, I have written 3 rows the word meaning, my dear student. At first, I shall discuss about the left side. That is, you see the left side of my blackboard, my dear student. At first, you see the first word is authority. Here, first word is authority. Kortitto. Authority in Bengali meaning kortitto, dominance, dominance. In English, dominance. Car mechanic. Here, car another word, mechanic another word. Car mechanic. Gadi meramat kari. Gadi meramat kari. Who has a gadi meramat kari? Adopted. Adopted. Here, my student, adopted dottok newa. Accept. Accept for care. Accept for to bring up on a person, to take care. Adopted. Abandoned. Abandoned, porityakto. Deserted. Abandoned in Bengali meaning porityakto. Deserted. At birth, janmo hote. At birth, janmo hote. Here, Josh is abandoned from his at birth, my dear student. So he was taken as a adopted people. Special, special, extraordinary, অসাধারণ in Bengali অসাধারণ, special, extraordinary. Colleagues, colleagues, here colleagues সহকর্মী, colleagues সহকর্মী, working company, colleagues সহকর্মী, working company. Control, নিয়ন্ত্রণ, manage, control, নিয়ন্ত্রণ, in English manage. Personality, personality, ব্যক্তিত্ব, manhood. Personality, ব্যক্তিত্ব, manhood. My dear student, you see the middle part of the vocals. Middle part of the vocals, my dear student. You see the middle part of the vocals. Middle part of the vocals, my dear student. Turning, more never, dator. Turning, more never, dator. Elementary school, প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয়, elementary school, প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয়, primary school, teaching, শিক্ষা প্রদান, bored, বিরক্তি, feeling bad, played, ভূমিকা পালন করা, played, ভূমিকা পালনকৃত. Here, played here is past participle or past tense, my dear student. In the root word is play. Word is play. From play to played. ভূমিকা পালন করা. Prank, সকৌতুক joke. Continued, চালিয়ে যাওয়া. Continued, চালিয়ে যাওয়া। Here continued is the past participle, চালিয়ে যাওয়া। Here challenging, মুখোমুখি হওয়া, encountered, মুখোমুখি হওয়া। Grade, Grade, my dear student. Here grade, here what is the grade? Some grade, the spelling the grade, spelling grade, spelling grade. GRAD. My dear student, here grade spelling GRADE, my dear student, GRADE. Grade in English class, শ্রেণী। হ্যান্ডেল পরিচালনা করা, ম্যানেজ, হ্যান্ডেল পরিচালনা করা, ম্যানেজ। ওয়ার্কবুক অনুশীলন বই, এক্সারসাইজ বুক, ইন ইংলিশ এক্সারসাইজ বুক, ওয়ার্কবুক অনুশীলন বই, এক্সারসাইজ বুক। ম্যাথ গণিত, সলভ সমাধান করা। কপল জোড়, এনজয় উপভোগ করা। লার্নিং শিক্ষা গ্রহণ। My dear student, I have explained the written vocals from the blackboard. Now I shall tell another vocals to you, that is rest. Now, my dear student, I am telling that return বিনিময়, to get something, that is return. Doing a work and we get something, that is return. Parents পিতামাতা, father and mother. exceptionally অসাধারণভাবে, usually অসাধারণভাবে। intelligent বুদ্ধিমান, whose IQ is very sharp, he is intelligent. skip বাদ দিয়ে যাওয়া। My dear student, here it is word he learned so much that he go 4 class to the 7 class, my dear student. Skip, that is skip. challenging কঠিন, contest প্রতিযোগিতা। motivated উদ্বুদ্ধ হওয়া, attract, My dear student, I have finished explaining vocals, my dear student, and now I shall read the text, my dear student. You listen to me very carefully. When you listen the text, when you learn to how to read, we should our duty, those who are the student, it is their duty to read so very clearly. When a student can read very clearly, and his learn will be clear. Read clear, learn will clear, my dear student. When a teacher read clearly, a student can learn so much, my dear student. I am read the books and you listen to very carefully, my dear student. Jobs childhood. A car mechanic, Paul Jobs, and his wife Clara Jobs adopted Steve, who was abandoned at birth. Paul and Clara loved Steve very much. They made him feel that he was chosen and very special. One of his colleagues, Dale Yakam, said about Steve, I think his desire for complete control of whatever he makes derives directly from his personality and from the fact that he was abandoned at birth. Jobs' mother taught him how to read and write before he went to the elementary school. So when he went to school, he found out that he knew everything that the teachers are teaching. He got bored and played pranks to keep himself busy. This continued for the first few years. It was clear from his behavior that he could not accept other people's authority. He said, I encountered authority of a different kind that I have never encountered before, and I did not like it. A turning point came when he was in grade 4. His teacher, Imogen Hill, watched him very closely for some time and soon found out how to handle him and get things done by him. In order to get things done, she used to give him money and food. One day after school, he gave George a workbook with math problem in it. She said, I want you to take it home and do this. She showed George huge lollipop and said, when you are done with it, if you get it mostly right, I will give you this and $5. Within 2 days, George solved the math problem and returned the book to his teacher. This continued for a couple of months, and George enjoyed learning so much that he did not need any return. Also, he liked his teacher very much and wanted to please her. In Mrs. Hill's class, George felt he was special. At the end of the 4th grade, George did very well. It was clear not only to George and his parents but also to the teacher that he was exceptionally intelligent. The school proposed that George should skip 2 classes and go into the 7th grade. This would mean that George would find the study challenging and he would be motivated to study. His parents and him skip only 1 grade. My student, I have finished the reading the text, my student. My student, now I want to ask you some question and answer the question, my student. Here, my student, here is some question. Here, question, what do words chosen and special mean in the text explain? My student, here the first question, chosen means selected. Chosen means here selected, and special means extraordinary. Here special means extraordinary because George's IQ was so nice that it was extraordinary brain, and it is called a special talent. He was especially a talent boy. This is special, extraordinary. Number 2, why didn't Job enjoy school? When Job go to the school and learn from the teacher, teach him his known thing. His known thing, all the thing is known. So he did not enjoy school, my student. What did he do to keep himself entertained? My student, he played trunk. He played trunk. When he learned something, he played trunk. From the pranking, he learned. When he learn from enjoy, learn from joke, my student. He learned from joke. When he wished to learn something, he make a joke. From the joking, he can learn. Why couldn't Job accept other people's authority at school? Why hadn't he come across other people's authority before? My dear friend, Job wanted to learn from his own. So he couldn't learn. His learning is very greater than the other people. His learning is very greater than other people. So he learned from his own, my dear student. Why does have the wish to control everything? My dear student, George want to control everything from his own. When he see a problem, he solve the problem from his own. How did George keep him busy? My dear student, Mr. Imogen Hill, when he saw that Jobs can get the learning and teaching, then he told Jobs that if he do the work, if he solve the problem, if he solve the math problem, he would give him lollipop and money to him, dollar to him, my student. Thus he was motivated. Thus he was motivated to the class, my student. My student, I shall go to the part B, my student. Here I have finished lesson A, and I am going to part B. Match the words. You will see the page number 118, my student. Find out the page number of your textbook 108, my student, and see here stage B, my student. Here match the words with their meanings as used in the context, my student. Here I have explained some words to you, my student. I am explained so much word to you, vocabs to you. When you learn the vocabs, then you match the words, my student. Your learning will be completed. Your learning is so easy. You will answer the easy, my student. This is the table, there are two-part table, word and meaning, my student. Word and meaning. You match the word and meaning. Adopted. Here adopted. Legally two can raise another child. Legally two can raise another child, my student. Here abundance, deserted, left alone. Abundance, deserted, left alone. Encounter, face. I have explained this word. So all the words I have explained to you, my student. All the word meaning I have explained to you, my student. Here authority, power. Authority means power, because the authority means here in Bengali kortitto. Those who have the power, they can control all the things from a society, from a community, from a family. He can control the things. This is authority. A family has authority, a society has authority, a market has authority, a country has authority. This is power. Prank, mischief, pranks here, mischief, jokes. Jokes always do jokes from learning. When he learn, he make a joke, then he learn from that, my student. Motivate, here motivate, face, my student. Motivate, face, my student. My student, I have completed my teaching, my student. This is a short course here, as time is not very longer, my student. Now, my student, I have recited a song before my teaching, and after my teaching, I shall sing a Nazrul song, my student. Listen to me very carefully, my student. You will be very glad to learn my teaching and my singing, my student. My student, no, I shall sing a song by Muhammad Rafi, my student. At first, I have sing a song that is by Rafi, that is by Muhammad Rafi, and I am reciting a great singer Rafi's song, my student. Listen to me very carefully. Not the same as Rafi. I am not Rafi. Now I am singing this song. लुट गए मेरे सपनों की डेरा, लुट गए मेरे सपनों की डेरा। कैसा इंसाफ मालिक ये तेरा, लुट गए मेरे सपनों की डेरा। ओ लुट गए मेरे सपनों की डेरा। फूल खिलने ना पाए से दिल के, हो गए हम जुदा तुमसे मिलके। फूल खिलने ना पाए से दिल के, हो गए हम जुदा तुमसे मिलके। कर लिया हमने दिल में बसेरा, लुट गए मेरे सपनों की डेरा। ओ लुट गए मेरे सपनों की डेरा। कैसा इंसाफ मालिक ये तेरा, लुट गए मेरे सपनों की डेरा। खेल दुनिया ने कैसा ये खेला, हो गया आज साथी अकेला। खेल दुनिया ने कैसा ये खेला, हो गया आज साथी अकेला। हर तड़पता रहा प्यार मेरा, लुट गए मेरे सपनों की डेरा। ओ लुट गए मेरे सपनों की डेरा। कैसा इंसाफ मालिक ये तेरा, लुट गए मेरे सपनों की डेरा। ओ लुट गए मेरे सपनों की डेरा। झुट गया प्यार किस्मत की आगे, पड़ गई कांचे उल्फत के धागे। झुट गया प्यार किस्मत की आगे, पड़ गई कांचे उल्फत की धागे। दोष तेरा नहीं और ना मेरा, दोष तेरा नहीं और ना मेरा। लुट गए मेरे सपनों की डेरा। ओ लुट गए मेरे सपनों की डेरा। कैसा इंसाफ मालिक ये तेरा, कैसा इंसाफ मालिक ये तेरा। लुट गए मेरे सपनों की डेरा। ओ लुट गए मेरे सपनों की डेरा। ओ लुट गए मेरे सपनों की डेरा। My dear student, I have finished my singing, and with that, my student, I have finished my class, my student. My student, you should follow the rules and regulation of coronavirus. The world is very sweet, my dear student. If you hard work, if you learn, if you gather knowledge, if you do work, you will find the heaven, my dear student. The heaven is remain in this world. If we do work, if we love the people, if we love all the creation of Almighty, if we love the people, if we love the animals, if we love the tree, our benefactor, Almighty Allah will love us, and He will save us from this coronavirus, my dear student. If you maintain the rules and regulation, He will save from this disease, great disease epidemic, from this, my dear student. You keep faith, you keep faith, Almighty Allah, and you always do good for the world. My student, the world, the Almighty Allah has sent this universe This universe, there is no limitation of this universe. And this universe for us, Almighty Allah give the gift as a gift to us, the huge universe, there is whose has no limitation. If we do work, if we do good for the people, if we work, if we gather knowledge, if we invent greater things, if we learn various kinds of things from this world, my dear student, if we do good for the world people, Allah will love us and heaven will be come to our house, my dear student. Many stories building are not the heaven here, my dear student. Many stories building are not the heaven here, my dear student. Heaven is love for the people. We live in a slums house. But if we learn knowledge, if we do good for the world people, Allah will help us and Allah will give the heaven to that slum. Allah will give that heaven to that slums, my dear student. My dear student, do good, do work, do hard labor, do duty to your parents. You help to your parents' work, my dear student. Don't go out, don't do bad work. You will find nice thing from the later life, my dear student. My dear student, there is no time. I have finished my teaching here, my dear student. Thank you so much, my dear student.